guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to venture into my bathroom. I've taken you guys in there one time before. It is small, it is not Pinterest worthy, it is nothing special, but we are going to declutter and reorganize my linen closet that's in there. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. You guys have been really interested in me doing like clean with me videos, declutter videos, organizing videos, and so I'm on like a total organizing kick. So if I can give you guys content and also organize my house at the same time, it's a win-win in my book. I know I love watching declutter videos because it motivates me to do the same at my house. So today we're gonna do that in my bathroom. It was organized at one time. It is not organized anymore. So I'm gonna go in there, take everything out, go through everything, and then reorganize it and show you guys the after. So let's get into that. Okay, this is my storage in my bathroom. So I have these really big cabinets. So in this cabinet, you can see it gets pretty disorganized. So I'm going to go through all of this and organize it. And then in the top cabinet, there's just this really big bin, but it is not organized either. So let's go through all of this. I'm going to take everything out and then go through it all and then put it all back in. Okay, so this is everything. I'm going to start with one bin and then we can go from there. Okay, so we're gonna start with this bin. I'm wearing slippers, socks, and sweatpants today. It is -6 degrees outside, and I haven't left my house, so that is just where we're at. So this first bin is all masks. So I'm going to go through these and kind of choose which ones I want to keep or what I need to get rid of. Okay, so I'm just gonna take everything out of here. Okay, this is so many masks. Number one, I have random tampons in here. This is a suction for my loofah, so that can go in my shower. And then this is dry shampoo. This needs to go with my travel stuff. This is these pore strips. I was trying them because they reminded me of high school, but I'm gonna pitch them. I didn't use them. This is tanning stuff, and this is the exfoliator I use to tan, so these can be stored somewhere else. This is a makeup cleansing cloth. I'm gonna toss that. I have some brushes in here for applying my masks. Okay, I've had this brush for so long that the whole handle fell off, and I have a different one, so I'm going to toss this one finally. Okay, this is a shaving cream. I need to use up the rest of this, so I'm gonna actually put this in my shower. And this is a brush cleaner, so this needs to go somewhere else too. And this is it's a cleanser and mask. This is an exfoliator. I was using this for a while. I don't know why I took it out of my shower. I'm just gonna put it back in my shower and use it up. This Moroccan oil doesn't belong in here. Neither does this razor. So this is a cleanser. I need to put this with other cleansers. And this is a makeup remover, so I need to move that too. And so is this. This is my travel makeup remover, so I need to put that with my travel stuff. So this is what we are looking at. There are other masks of mine that are other places. I might grab those once I finish going through this stuff so that they can all live in the same place. So this one is almost gone, so I need to use this up so that I can get rid of it. This one I'm gonna pass on. I haven't used it in a long time, and I have other ones that I like more. Okay, these two I really like. These are both bubble masks. Oh, this one, these are the same mask. This one is their newer packaging and I haven't opened it, so I need to put this in my closet with my unopened stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna put ones that I'm keeping over here. This is actually a cleanser too, so that needs to go with my face wash. This is an exfoliator, so that needs to go somewhere else too. I love this one from Fresh, and this one. This is the black tea mask, and this is the rose face mask. And this First Aid Beauty Bouncy mask is really good. I'm going to keep this one from Ole Henriksen. The one from Bliss, I think I've tried this once. I need to try it more. And then I don't think I've tried any of these smaller ones. So I need to put these maybe in a place that I can see them better, or maybe I need to go through some before I dip into these. And then this one is from Kate Somerville. I like it, but I've only used it like once or twice because I have other ones that are open too. These are all sheet masks, and all of my sheet masks are going in my vanity. I showed you guys that in my last video, which I can link it here, but these are just gonna go there just because it's easier for me. Okay, so I'm just going to put these back in here. And then 2 mask brushes. I have a couple other ones too that I need to put in here as well. But that looks way better already. So I'm gonna throw that to the side. These can just be consolidated. And then that can be thrown to the side. In here, I just have mouthwash. This is baby shampoo that I use to clean my brushes. And then I have a bunch of hair ties. That's all that's in here too. So I'm gonna pass these on. I never use them. And then I have baby oil, which this is really good if you're tanning. It just keeps your skin really hydrated and makes your tan last longer. So I think what I'm going to do here is do a brush cleaning and tanning bin. So the baby oil, my loving tan, my exfoliator, and then my baby shampoo, this Sigma brush cleaner, and I have my Sigma matte somewhere. So I will add that to this bin when I find that one. Then I have this bin that is just full of, like, this is soap and then a bunch of shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna take everything out of here and then we can reevaluate because this bin wasn't in the closet. This stuff was just all on shelves. Okay, so this is that brush cleaning mat, so I'm going to put that in with the other brush cleaning stuff. These are replacements for my Clarisonic, just the replacement heads. These are sheet masks, so I'm going to put these in my vanity. These are razor replacements. And then I've got some of Adam's stuff for when he stays over, so his stuff can stay together. This is a makeup remover. Okay, this is a body wash. I'm just gonna pass this on. I've had this on for so long. Okay, I have this random Pantene stuff. I am going to toss this because they're almost empty and I've had them sitting in that closet forever. I also have a bunch of this same shampoo and conditioner. I haven't used it in so long, so I think I'm gonna pass this on too. This is the Brilliant Brunette from John Frieda. I'm actually almost through this, so I'm going to put it in my shower because I ran out of my, I'm almost out of my shampoo and conditioner, so I'm just going to go through these ones before I find something else. And then this is one of those opposite shampoo and conditioner treatments where you condition before you shampoo. I'm going to keep these. I only tried them a couple times, so I want to go back and try them again. Okay, this is another facial cleanser, so I'm going to put this with the rest of them. And then there's a couple things in here that I'm just going to find homes for. Probably somewhere on a shelf or in an organizer somewhere. So that's kind of like my mouthwash, my razors. Next I have this bin that has some cotton rounds. I'm going to move these to my vanity. And then I have this body wash and bubble bath. So I'm going to keep this separated. This is Epsom salt, which is really good if you have sore muscles to put in your bath. And then this is another muscle relaxing mineral soap. So I'm going to keep this in here too. Okay, this is all of my medicine. I need to just go through here, see what's expired, and if it is, I'll toss it. If it's not, I'll put it back in here. I went through everything. Now I'm just going to put everything right back in here that's not expired. Okay, here's my supposedly travel makeup bin. That is not the case though. So let's take everything out of here. This also does belong in here, so I'm going to add that. I have way too many pouches, and these are for everything, like jewelry. I have a bunch from Gideon, Ipsy, even the old Play by Sephora bags. I don't know why I kept all of these. Okay, I'm definitely going to get rid of most of them because I don't think I've used them in forever. I might keep this one and this one. Okay, so these I'm going to pass on, and that one. I'm just gonna go through these and choose a couple of these to keep because it's good to have some jewelry bags in your stash to have with you. Okay, these are my favorite kinds of bottles to travel with because they're so squishy that you can actually get your product out of them. So I need to clean all of these out so that I can use them again. I don't like these plastic ones. I think these ones are harder to use. So I'm going to get rid of these ones. I'm also going to get rid of this spray bottle, but I'm going to keep this little tub just because this is useful sometimes if you have a cream that you need to take with you. Okay, then I have my toothbrush holder and also a top just in case I'm not using my current toothbrush. This is a makeup removing cloth. I can't remember what it's called. Yeah, the makeup eraser. I used this for a while. I actually kind of want to try and use it again and see how I like it. So I'm going to put this down on my lower shelves. This belongs in my vanity next to my other ones. Okay, then I just have some random stuff. This deodorant is broken, so I'm going to toss that. I have a couple dry shampoos, so I'm going to keep those. This is a hairspray, my favorite face wash, a really good setting spray. So those I'm going to keep. This deodorant I'm going to keep. Shaving cream I'll keep. This is a blow dry accelerator. I'm going to toss this because I don't use it. And this is a moisturizer, so I will keep this one. Oh, this is another toothbrush holder, so I don't need two, so I'm going to toss that. Okay, then the other things I have in here are this, which is my toiletry holder, which I love. This is actually the pre-cleanse that I always take with me too. So this is what I have my toiletries in. I think what I'm going to do is actually just put the ones that I'm always going to take with me in here so that they're just in here. So my deodorant, my pre-cleanse and my face wash, my dry shampoo, and then a moisturizer. And then everything else in here, it just depends on where I'm going and what I'm doing. I'm going to put these in the bin still, but not in here. And then this is my travel makeup case. So in here, I'm just going to put the setting spray. And then that's it. These are all my favorite makeup wipes. They come in a giant package. So I'm going to store these in my closet that has my unopened stuff. So this is my travel bin. And then I just need to wash these. And I'll put them in there. Oh, I almost forgot. I have this makeup remover that can be in here too. Okay, this is all the stuff that's going to go in my vanity as well as these. So I'm going to put this stuff away. And then I'm going to put everything back in my bathroom. And I'll show you guys where I put everything. All right, here is the final situation. I ended up changing out my box of tampons just for something a little more discreet. Atom stuff, my toothpaste, and then down here I have just kind of refills of stuff, floss, my Clarisonic stuff. This is where I put that makeup eraser, razor replacements, and then this is just that shampoo and conditioner I'm going to keep for backups, mouthwash, and then I have some facial cleansers and makeup removers here. And then I have all of my face masks in here. In here I have my tanning stuff and my makeup brush cleaners. So I added my tanning mitt, and then this is my favorite tanning stuff ever. This is from Tanlux. It's the water. I'm obsessed with it. I'm almost out. So that is in this bin. Down here I added my shower cap, but then this is just that bath stuff. And then in here is all the medicine. And then lastly, up here is the travel stuff. I ended up putting the makeup wipes back in here just because they've been in there for so long that I just know where they are. So that is the finished closet. I definitely recommend these bins. I got these ones I think at Target a few years ago. These ones are from IKEA. They fit in my old vanity drawer, but I have quite a few of them, so I use them to organize stuff. I just feel like it, with the separation, it just fits things better, and then everything can be a bit more organized. So highly recommend getting bins of some sort. And that is my bathroom closet. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the little field trip into my bathroom. I know it was a short one. There's just not a lot in there since it's a very small bathroom. There's not a ton of storage. There's just that one cabinet. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful for you. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.